Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be dyeing this using this color. It's opened because I tested it out on my shirt. Cute shirt. I'll put a link in the video for this down below. But today, if you didn't notice, I will be dyeing my Lularoe Cici dress. So stay tuned. Find out everything. So then do it a couple more times. Now I have like blue hands. I suggest you wear gloves. Gloves are a must. But my dress went from white to this beautiful greenish blue, which I'm very excited about. Because I have a wedding to go to. You can't wear white. Well, you can't. You shouldn't wear white to somebody else's wedding. But yeah, it still has blue residue. I still have to do it a few more times. So one thing I would have to say is that the dress did not turn out green. It turned out to like a denim blue, which I'm not mad about, but I wanted a green dress. I think it's because I used some of the dye to make this shirt, so use the whole packaging. But yeah, so this is the dye I used, the dark green color. It's supposed to be dark green. My hands are green, but my dress isn't green. So yeah, maybe 2 packs would have been great, better. But it's pretty, it looks pretty. So yeah, well, that was that. That was my DIY tie-dye Lularoe dress with my green hands. So like always, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.